Hello, this is Ria and you're watching the News Point. Today, we are breaking down the recent iOS 26 update from Apple, what's new, what's causing headaches, and how Apple plans to fix it. Apple's iOS 26 update, released in September 2025, introduced a bold new design and several new features aimed at enhancing user experience across iPhones and iPads. One of the standout changes is the liquid glass interface, which uses a high level of transparency and sleek visuals to create a modern, clean look. The most noticeable change is the liquid glass design, which transforms the entire user interface with more transparent elements. This gives a fresh, futuristic feel to the system's appearance. Apple also introduced some updates to multitasking on iPads, smoother animations, and improved app switching capabilities. However, along with these exciting changes, many users have reported a range of issues, including overheating, rapid battery drain, and performance glitches. Shortly after updating to iOS 26, many iPhone and iPad users started reporting that their devices were overheating and the battery was draining much faster than usual. Some also experienced lagging apps, freezing, and problems with screen rotation. For iPad users, multitasking features have been buggy and unreliable at times. This sudden dip in performance has led to frustration, especially for users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. Complaints flooded social media and tech forums, prompting Apple to address these concerns publicly. Now, the question is, why are these issues happening? Apple explains that many of these problems are linked to background processes that kick in immediately after an update. When you install a major iOS update, the system performs various tasks such as re-indexing files, updating apps to be compatible with the new OS, and syncing data. These tasks are resource intensive and can temporarily cause your device to heat up and consume more battery power. Apple assures users that this is normal behavior for a new update and that the issues should resolve within a day or two as these background processes finish running. Now, while the liquid glass design has been praised for its sleekness, it has also received criticism for making some text and interface elements harder to see. The high transparency, while visually appealing to some, reduces contrast and clarity in certain areas, which can affect readability and usability. Apple has taken this feedback seriously. In subsequent beta versions, the company has adjusted transparency settings to improve visibility, aiming to strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Apple acknowledges the reported issues and is actively working on fixes. A minor update, expected as iOS 26.1, is in development to address battery performance, overheating, and other bugs. Meanwhile, Apple recommends users to keep their devices plugged in overnight after updating, avoid heavy usage immediately, and ensure apps are updated to the latest versions. For those experiencing persistent problems, contacting Apple support is advised, or they may consider waiting for the next update before upgrading. What should users do now? If you haven't updated yet, it may be wise to wait a little longer. If you have already updated, don't panic. Many issues are temporary. Monitor your device's performance over a couple of days and watch for Apple's upcoming fixes. With patience and the upcoming updates, these problems are expected to be resolved, making iOS 26 a smoother and more enjoyable experience for everyone. For further updates and more such content, keep watching the News Point.